Lolu phiko selichithe isikhathi eside luphenya ukwebiwa kwamabhiliyoni amarandi ngeinkontileka zokuthengwa kwempahla yokuvikela ku-COVID-19. Kuleli sonto i-SIU ikhiphe umbiko wayo mayelana neinkontileka ezingaphezu kwe-5,000 zokuthengwa kwalempahla. Kanti kuzo ithole ukuthi ziyi-367 kuphela ezanikezwa inkampani kanti zibalelwa ku-15 billion wamarandi. Eyingamaphesenti yango-82 seyiphothuliwe kanti eyingamaphesenti ayi-18 isaqhubeka.
We've indicated here that we have already recovered money in the bank of 34 million, and then we have prevented a potential loss of 114 million, and we have got contracts that are set aside as about 170 million rand, and value of potential money that needs to be recovered is 551 million. All of those things are in the pot, and some of them will continue in our courts to make sure that they are finalized and we recover the money.
I-SIU ithi baningi abantu abebephenywa abazame ukuvimba ukukhishwa kwalombiko.
There's been a lot of people who do not want to be found. We had examples of people who are even sending us threatening messages and all of those things to try and avoid this. There's been pushback in relation to matters where we take matters to the special tribunal and we freeze their bank accounts. There will be people who will be going out there and make sure that they try and reverse that.
I-SIU ithi izophenya wonke amacala avelayo kanti ithi izobe isiphothule uphenyo lwamacala ahlukene ngoNhlangulana.
These new ones that have come up, we cannot ignore them because they are very important to us. We then agreed with the presidency that we will then do a supplementary report that we will submit to the president by the end of June.
Lombiko udalule ukuthi ziyi-2,283 iy'nkontileka ezahlinzekwa ngendlela engafanele. Lolu phiko luthi luzoqiniseka ukuthi bathathelwa izinyathelo bonke abathintekayo.